Starting with the shirt flat, I draw the curvy line that I want. Then I begin to fan fold along the line. I keep my hands about 2 or 3 inches apart so that they're on either side of the line. I use my index fingers to hold the folds and my middle and ring fingers to pull in more folds. Notice how I'm not trying to fold the outer parts of the cotton while I'm folding my main line, because I can take care of that in just a few minutes. At times, you may find that you need to turn the whole shirt to get a better angle on the line as you fold. And you may also need to flatten out the cotton that you're about to fold so you can create more even folds. As you're gathering the fan folds, try not to squeeze them too tight because they can pop out of place. Now, I'll secure the folds with the string. I'll wrap the string around the folds on one side of the line, and I'll wrap it around a few different times. And then I'll move the string to the other side of the line and wrap it around again a few different times. With the main pattern secure, I'll add crinkle folds to the remaining cotton outside the line. Because there's already some fan folds here, I'll pull some of them apart and create random crinkle folds. Once I have the crinkle folds in place, I'll use the string to secure them. I put my hand on top of the folds when I'm pulling on the string to prevent the folds from popping out. I try to get the tag to stick straight out of the cotton so that it won't be covering anything up when I go to color. I work the string towards the unfolded side of the cotton. Then I spin the shirt so I can get a better angle on it, because now I'm going to repeat the process of breaking up the fan folds and creating new crinkle folds out of the remaining cotton. Once all the crinkle folds are in place, I secure them with the string. Once I've got all the folds secured, I'll cut the string and secure it with a knot. The first thing I do on this pattern is color the line black. Then on the left side of the black line, I add purple. Then on the right side of the black line, I add red. And next to the red, I add orange. Then next to the orange, I fill in the remaining side of the shirt with yellow. Next to the purple, I add blue. And then next to the blue, I fill in the remaining side of the shirt with green. Then I lightly add some blue on top of the green area. Then I lightly add some purple on top of the blue area. Next I add orange on top of the yellow area. And then I add some red on top of the orange area. On side 2, I add a straight line of blue, and I continue adding blue to the rest of the surface area on the right. Then I add red next to the blue, and then I'll add yellow next to the red. And I'll also add some yellow on top of the blue area near the edge.